Hey there, what is up my fellow YouTubers? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your Samsung Galaxy A71. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install them, and also I'm going to show you how to set up your SD card so that pictures and videos that you take from now on save directly to the SD card and not your internal memory of your device. I'm also going to show you how to transfer old files from the internal memory to the SD card so you can free up space on your phone and be able to download new apps and continue to use your phone normally. Sometimes when your storage is filled up, your phone starts freezing more and working slower. So this is definitely useful for that as well. So all we're going to need is a SIM card ejector tool, which I have one right here. You can also use a earring or a paper clip, just something thin and solid that you can stick in this hole right here. So it's gonna have the SIM card ejector tray right here on the upper left hand side. Okay, once you find it, just go ahead and stick the SIM card ejector pin right in there. It's gonna pop up just slightly, and then you can go ahead and grab it with your fingers and pull out the tray. All right, so once you have your tray, we're gonna go ahead and place the SD card here on the top slot. Squeeze it in gently till it's snug in there and it doesn't fall off. And then we're going to go ahead and grab the SIM card and place it on the slot right under it. Okay, the SIM card will fall out. It's not going to stay snug in there. So we're going to have to hold it together and place it back into the device. Place it in gently. There we go. All right, so it should automatically pick up signal and read your SIM card as long as it is activated. As you can see, it already read it. It is picking up signal. As you can see, the reception bars up here. And you will be able to use phone calls, messages, and data right away as long as your SIM card is activated. All right, now I'm going to show you how to set up your SD card to save pictures and videos that are taken from now on. So all we're going to have to do is click on the camera app. Once you open up the camera app, you're going to be presented with this message right here, which is going to state change storage location. So it says an SD card has been detected. So as long as you select change right here, it's going to automatically set up your SD card to start saving pictures and videos that you capture from now on. And to confirm this, or in case you didn't receive that message, you can select on the settings wheel up here. And then you're going to scroll down to storage location. Right here, storage location, select it and make sure that SD card is checked. Once it's checked, you're good to go. You can go back and pictures and videos that you take will save to the SD card. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to transfer old files from the internal memory of your Galaxy A71 to the SD card so that you can free up space on your phone. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to find the file manager. Go ahead into your Samsung folder over here and you should see an app which is called My Files. Select that. Here in My Files, it's going to give you a couple options here. So we want to transfer from the internal storage. So we're going to select that first, internal storage. So you can transfer any of these file types. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to do pictures and videos that are already in the internal storage. So we're going to select DCIM because that is where the pictures and videos always save to. And then here they're going to be in the camera folder. Perfect. So here they are. So what we're going to do now is we're going to tap and hold on one of the images. Okay. And then we're going to select all up here so that all of them can be selected. Once you have them all selected, you're going to select move down here. Okay, and then now we're going to select where we want to move them to. So we're going to go back, go back, go back. Now we're going to select SD card. Here in SD card, you can select wherever you want to save it to. So I'm going to make a new folder here. Let's select up here, create folder, and I'm going to name it Galaxy A71. Create. So we're going to select the new folder I just created. And then now we're going to select move here. So all I have is just a couple pictures and videos. For the purpose of this video, you're probably going to have a lot more, but you're going to wait until they are all transferred over. May take a few seconds, maybe a few minutes, depending on how much you have. But once it is done, they will all be transferred over. So as you can see, here they all are. Let's go back to the internal storage just to make sure that they are no longer in there. So internal storage, DCIM, camera. And as you can see, there are no more pictures and videos in here. So the files have been transferred and the space has been freed up in the device. And keep in mind, like I said, you could do this with any other file type that you see here as well to free up space on your phone. All right, everyone. So that was just a quick video showing you how to install your SIM card and SD card onto your Samsung Galaxy A71. So hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a like. It really helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And that is it for this video. I will catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.